Welcome to our video on digital marketing. Digital marketing is the promotion of products or brands using digital technologies. It is important because it allows businesses to reach a large audience and achieve their marketing goals. Some common digital marketing strategies include SEO, social media marketing, and email marketing. With the rapid evolution of technology, it's crucial for businesses to adapt and utilize digital platforms to increase visibility and engage with potential customers. In this video, we will delve into various techniques and provide specific tips for each strategy. Let's get started. Digital marketing is important because it allows businesses to reach a global audience, target their ideal customers, and measure the results of their campaigns in real time. It is also a cost-effective way to promote products and services and engage with customers. Digital marketing is a broad field that encompasses a variety of strategies and channels, including SEO, PPC, social media marketing, email marketing, and content marketing. These strategies help businesses reach their target audience, build brand awareness, and drive sales. Successful digital marketing campaigns often combine social media advertising, influencer marketing, content creation, SEM, and CRO. These strategies help businesses reach their target audience, build brand awareness, and drive conversions. Congratulations on completing our introduction to digital marketing. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into the fundamental aspects of digital marketing, its importance, different types, common strategies, and steps to get started. As you further explore this exciting field, remember to keep experimenting, learning, and adapting your strategies to stay ahead in the digital marketing landscape. Happy marketing!